Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing your Thermomix TM5. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the essential steps to disassemble, diagnose, and clean your machine, ensuring it operates at peak performance. Let's dive into the tools you will need for this process. First, gather your tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver set, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a can of compressed air for dust removal. Having the right tools on hand will make the repair process smoother and more efficient. Now, let's begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5 to ensure safety. Once it's unplugged, we can start disassembling the base. Begin by removing the screws located at the bottom of the machine. Use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. After removing the screws, carefully lift the base cover off. As you open the machine, be cautious of any wires connected to the main board. If you find it challenging to access the internal components, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once you've accessed the interior, take a moment to inspect the components. Look for any signs of wear or damage, particularly on the wiring and connectors. If your machine has been making unusual noises or is not functioning correctly, this inspection will help identify the issue. Next, let's focus on cleaning the internal parts. Use the soft cloth to wipe down the surfaces and the can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. A clean machine not only improves performance but also extends its lifespan. If you feel uncomfortable performing this cleaning, keep in mind we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. After cleaning, if you notice any damaged parts, it's crucial to replace them before reassembling. You can find replacement parts online or through authorized dealers. Always check for compatibility with your TM5 model. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Once everything is clean and any parts have been replaced, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the base cover back on, ensuring no wires are pinched or caught. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so. Before plugging the machine back in, double-check that everything is in its proper place. If you follow these steps carefully, your Thermomix TM5 should be ready to go. Power it up and test its functions to ensure everything is operating as expected. In conclusion, regular maintenance and timely repairs can keep your Thermomix TM5 running effectively for years to come. Should you encounter any difficulties during this process, remember, there's no need to stress, our service eliminates the hassle of calls and travel. We're here to help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.